The 9th International Human Rights Global Mission Seminar and Conference was held on Friday, 31st January 2025 at 3:30 p.m. at the BMICH Lavender Hall, Colombo. The conference was graced by the presence of S. Vilasri, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India, President of the All India Handlooms and Handicrafts Commission, New Delhi, and Head of the U.S. Diplomatic Mission, International Human Rights Global Mission Chief Executive Officer, eminent scientist and distinguished Professor Dr. Madhu Krishan, author, editor, management consultant, foreign diplomat, entrepreneur and senior political analyst. Dr. Satish Sivalingam, Dinakaran Magazine Editor-in-Chief Senthil Velavar. A litter were invited as the chief guests of this event. We are also conducting a seminar on the elimination of violence against women through the International Human Rights Global Mission. Also in this event, the chairman of the International Human Rights Global Mission Mr. Mahusoon, President Mr. Amir Khan, Vice President for Children and Women's Affairs Mrs. Sharina Fareen, Advisor Mr. Naseem, Director Mr. Abdul Razak and News Director Mr. Ajanta Rana Singhe, Director Mofeet Board of Director and Media Director, Journalist Mr. Faslan, along with Board Members Pradeep Editors, Coordinators, Members and many others participated in this event. During this, 100 school students were provided with free school supplies and school bags by the chief guest under the theme of Let's Lend a Hand to Education. In addition, 6 vendors who had applied for the International Human Rights Global Fund were provided with wheelchairs. A certificate was awarded by the Global Asian Achievers Council to honor and evaluate social workers in appreciation of their social services. Awards of appreciation were given to various individuals such as writers, journalists, film directors, cosmeticians, professionals, social workers, announcers, artists. New members of the International Human Rights Global Mission were given certificates and identity cards by the chief guest. It is noteworthy that many communities from all over the island participated in this event.
International Human Rights Global Mission, and once we started our seminar session, suddenly he came to the stage with all our students, and he gave a very, motivational speeches, summer speech. So thank you, Senthil Velavar sir, and thank you everyone. I don't want to say more, but especially one thing I want to say. So we have started this International Human Rights Global Mission in 2023. And I had contact with Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan, the NASA scientist in the USA. He is my godfather, I have to say, because he taught me how to do the humanitarian services.
I really appreciate Amir Khan and his team for their wonderful support and wonderful participation for the human rights activities in Sri Lanka. As we know, through the year, they're doing many programs around the country. Nearly, he said, 3,000 applications had been received for their membership for this organization. It will be another remarkable record among the INGO activities in Colombo and Sri Lanka.
Education is a basic thing to everyone. Actually, education, without education, no one can move anywhere and anywhere in the world. So that another one thing, two things we have to add it up. So another one is legally we should be, the human rights legally we should be very, very strong. Because legally today the human rights we are suffering a lot all over India. I am an Indian, you are a Sri Lankan, that is not, it doesn't matter. But we have to be legally very strong. The punishment should be strong. The violation of the human rights, that should be amended all over the world. That's our mind la every individual நம்ம மைண்ட்ல அத ஸ்ட்ராங்கா நம்ம கீப் அப் பண்ணிக்கணும். The third thing is, what is that surroundings, that is our people's surroundings. அவங்க நம்ம மைண்ட் எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கு ஆக்சுவலினா, somebody has violated by the human ஒரு violation, humanக்கு ஒரு violation நடக்குதுன்னா, it is a small thing, they are thinking it's a very small thing. It's just like that. But the rights should be safeguarded. It is a fundamental rights not over all over in the world. So that should be protected. The violators should be punished severely. அப்படின்ற மாதிரி நம்ம ஒரு மைண்ட் செட் நம்ம கொண்டுட்டு வந்துட்டோம்னா we should be very safe.